When I'm in the streets, I'm on angles. In a place in the city that I can't go. And the bitch wanna fuck for the bank rolls, cause I got bank rolls. And I'm in the bank when the bank closed. You sell it, work wasn't quick enough. So I started robbing niggas, make them give it up. Hitting licks, I was applying for a big house. Out in Cali with the pounds, told them ship it out. But if it's too much work, we'll take the trip. So much work, I'ma make it flip. 100 cash,
Alright, how we doing this? If I do a combo and you say you don't land it, do I go again?
I get a letter.
And then it's your trick, or do I go?
If I mess up the trick and it was your trick, then you keep going.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, two out of three.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
no.
Alright, go. Wait, hold up. I don't have it. I slipped. Here we go.
Jay made this one.
Let's go. There you go. There you go. See what he got. Ooh, not again. Oh! You okay? You good?
Yeah, I'm bar fat.
You good? Alright. That's all that matters. Something easy.
Nah, Jay made this one.
Oh. Ah. Dang. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this battle. What do you have to say for yourself?
Huh?
It was a good battle, not gonna
It
lie.
was a good battle.
It was fun, but he was talking all this crap, so like I had to shut him up. He was talking all this crap.